Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study English for exams. First, let's plan your approach. Start by creating a realistic study schedule, allocating specific times for different English components. Identify your strengths and weaknesses in grammar, vocabulary, and writing. Gather all your study materials, including class notes, textbooks, and any practice tests. This structured approach will help you maximize your preparation time. Next, let's focus on the building blocks, grammar and vocabulary. Dedicate time to reviewing fundamental grammar rules, paying close attention to common errors you might make. Actively expand your vocabulary by learning new words, their definitions, and how to use them correctly in sentences. Consistent practice with sentence construction and paragraph writing will solidify your understanding and improve your expression. Now, let's sharpen your reading and writing skills. Practice reading comprehension with a variety of texts, focusing on identifying main ideas and supporting details. Work on developing strong essay writing skills, including structuring arguments and using appropriate evidence. Also, practice summarizing complex information concisely. Understanding different question types and how to approach them effectively is crucial for exam success. Finally, it's all about practice and review. Complete full practice exams under timed conditions to simulate the actual test environment. Thoroughly review your answers, understanding where you made mistakes and why, to learn from them. Don't forget to take short breaks during your study sessions to avoid burnout. Most importantly, ensure you get adequate rest before the actual examination day to perform your best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.